AI is moving faster than anyone expected. Roles in admin, customer service, and even parts of accounting and law are being automated. And if you rely on just your 9 to 5 job, then you're at risk. But here's the good news. AI can replace jobs, but it can't replace assets. And that's why I believe property is one of the best protections against the AI era. Now, there's already examples of mass roles being replaced by AI. Customer service in a lot of industries are being replaced by AI chatbots that can handle thousands of conversations all at once. Admin roles like scheduling, data entry, and email drafting are being done by AI in seconds. We see in a lot of supermarkets where self-checkout machines have replaced a lot of cashiers, and professional industries aren't immune either. We're seeing AI review spreadsheets, contracts faster than junior lawyers and accountants. The crazy thing is, this isn't the future, it's happening right now. Millions of jobs are either being reshaped or cut, and it's only going to accelerate. Now, if your salary stops, your bills doesn't. And that is the risk when you rely on a single stream of income. So if you're in one job and that is the job that pays for all your expenses, then you're at real risk, especially now in the AI era where a lot of jobs are being replaced. And if you're in a position where you've got a job and you don't have other income streams coming in and you don't have savings, then you are left very exposed if you were to ever lose that job. And this is where the power of assets comes in. Even with the advancements of AI, people are always going to need somewhere to live. So purchasing a property, an investment property to rent out to tenants isn't going to go anywhere anytime soon. We all need properties, and some people will want to buy properties, and some people, for the meantime, will want to rent out a property to live in. However, there will always be a demand for that. Property will always be a secure investment. And over time, as your property portfolio grows and your cash flow grows, this will not be reliant on a boss or AI. And you can ensure you're using AI as a good tool towards your properties. However, AI is not going to take away your assets. And as a result, property remains one of the most reliable hedges against uncertainty. And that's why for me, I'm so passionate about helping beginners buy their first investment property, get on the property ladder, produce cash flow so they're not just relying on one income. So if you're interested in actually buying your first investment property, feel free to download my How to Buy Your First Investment Property Starter Guide. It'll be in the description, and my Deal Analyser Sheet as well, where you can plug in the numbers and actually assess how good your deal is as well. Whether you like it or not, the AI wave is coming. So the question is, are you prepared? Build assets now so you're protected in the future. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, and if you found value from this video or any other video on this channel, then do subscribe as well. And until next time, happy investing.